Make snoring a thing of the past with this useful advice. Many people say that snoring can be a very tough condition for people to deal with. However, like anything, you can manage the snoring of your loved one or yourself if you have the proper tips and information. This video contains a variety of tips to help you or your loved one stop snoring. If you smoke cigarettes, there is a good chance that you also snore. Quitting one can mean quitting the other. Inflammation caused by smoking irritates the tissue in your throat, and increases the possibility that you will snore. Swelling in the throat is one of the major causes of snoring. If you want to stop snoring, don't consume alcohol just before bed. While alcohol is okay to have with dinner or even later in the evening, if you have it just before bed, it will make all of your muscles relax, including those that keep your nasal passages fully open. You'll have less airflow, and you'll snore. Sleep more upright. Elevating your upper body can relieve both gravity and pressure, allowing you to get a full night's rest without snoring. Use pillows or put some bricks under the headboard. Even just a slight elevation can stop you from snoring, so try it out and see what height works best for you. Sleeping pills cause the throat muscles to collapse, limiting your airway at night. Although it's tempting, avoid sleeping pills if you suffer from insomnia. They cause snoring. Also avoid alcohol, tranquilizers or antihistamines right before bed. Find natural ways to relax before bed like meditation, relaxation techniques or warm milk. You will sleep more quietly without the aid of sleeping medications. As was mentioned at the beginning of this video, snoring can be quite a frustrating condition for people and their companions. However, one can manage their snoring and make their lives much easier and less stressful if they are equipped with the proper advice and information. Apply this video's tips and you'll be on your way to stopping your snoring soon. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.